welcome back to Jay in the City, where we are all about lifestyle and inspiration. I'm Joshua Jure, and welcome to my city, Las Vegas, you guys. Yes, so this week, SKIMS debuted it with FENDI, you guys, and I am super excited because you know we were there. We had a private shopping experience, and I cannot wait to do this unboxing with you guys. But before we get started, let's go ahead and like, follow, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to it, you guys. Okay, you guys, so let's get to it. First, let's talk about my love for SKIMS. So I have been a SKIMS fan since day one, you guys. So to see her collaborate and grow is just so amazing. And especially with some of my favorite designers, you guys. And the fact that it is exclusive to as well. Little background check on me. When it comes to fashion, I'm all about exclusivity. I try to find pieces, runway pieces, pieces that are limited, only because, you know, I kind of see my wardrobe as art, you know, and I'm investing in my pieces. So when I invest, I don't kind of want to see everybody with it on, but you know. But let's get to it, you guys. So let's start off with a little bit of SKIMS, you guys. So you know, I had to rock a couple outfits from a girl. I got a couple of things, you guys, so I'm super excited. Yes, look at that. Yes, so my daughter's always like, Mommy, I want some bags. Yes, gotta have your bags, baby. Okay, you guys, so let's do this in a second. Let's see. Okay, so I seen her with this on, and I believe it was in a different color. And I totally fell in love with it, you guys. Let's take a look. Yes, look at you guys, look at this. So in love. So this here, if you guys take a look at this fabric, it is insane. I love it. Look at this, you guys. Yeah, yes. So if you take a look back here, you'll see the FENDI embroidery and SKIMS. I love that, you guys. The fit, you guys, so everything is gonna run a size smaller. Everything is really cinched in at the waist. So if you guys do buy some pieces, try to size up. I'm a 36 in FENDI, so I went up to a 38 in my dresses. But yeah, you guys, love it. Can't wait to try it on. I know it came in a bunch of different colors. This, you guys, is the army green. I fell in love with the army green, you guys. Yes. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So hopefully you guys were able to grab it. The Fendi pieces weren't as inexpensive as the other pieces, but they're totally worth it, you guys, because they are truly exclusive. So love this. Can't wait to try it on for you guys. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so when I seen this one, this was a absolute must-have. So this here, you guys, yes, you guys, yes. So this is the embossed short sleeve knit dress, you guys, and I want you guys to take a look. So take a look at that, you guys. Oh my God. It is so amazing, and I'm so in love with it. Check the zipper down the back, you guys. Insane. Love it. When you guys see it on, it is just killer. And the fit and the thickness is insane, you guys. Like, I just cannot. This was something that I absolutely had to have. You guys, and you guys check the zips on everything. You guys can see the Fendi logo on there. I'm not a big logo person, you guys, honestly. I'm really not. But being that it's an exclusive piece, you know, we had to cop something with the logo on it. But yes, you guys, I love it. I love the color. Cream, perfect for winter. It's gonna take me over to early spring. Make sure you guys subscribe and to her site so that you guys can get first dibs on when her collections are coming in. For me, I was able to have the experience of actually going in the pop-up for Fendi. We actually went shopping before the store opened, and we got a chance to try on some of the stuff the night before. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to videotape that, you guys, because they made everybody sign NDAs, but you guys, it is awesome. You know, so in love, you guys. So if there's any more pieces out there, make sure you guys grab them. Please go grab them. So yes, that is that. Sorry, mini freak. So, being that everything went on sale at like 6 in the morning and it sold out damn near in like a minute or so, I really wanted the black tights. And I was just like, please do not let me miss out on these tights. So I go online, I'm looking for the tights, none. So on my way over to Fendi, I'm like, Caesars, you guys, Cece at Fendi, she is awesome. That's my girl. She puts me up on everything. So just like these. So totally sold out in the company. Could not get, you guys. My girl searched. She searches, she searches, she searched. And you guys, I was able to get a pair. I can't wait to style these for you guys. We have so many different looks. Super excited to be able to style these, you guys. Oh my goodness, when you see these on these legs, yes, honey, we're gonna do it. I could not get the bralette to go with it. I swear, but it's okay, you guys, it is okay. So, yes, so that's what I got. I got the two dresses, the velvet green, and then we also have the embossed knit and cream. So yes, and then we have the Fendi tights. I have to stop for a minute because I thought I was done. I really did. I thought I was done, and then you know your girl loves to put a whole look together. And so like we walking out the little pop-up, and I'm just like, oh my God, excited, not even tripping. And then you would not believe what I ran into. Insane, you guys. Wait till you see this. Yes! Tell me. Please tell me why your girl found some shoes to go with a dress. Yes. So the night before, you guys, these weren't even out. I didn't even know these were an option. So if you've seen the other slip-on FENDI slides that they just came out, I'm not a huge fan. Love you guys, but I'm not. But then they hit me with these, you guys. Your girl came through, per usual. Baby, what? What, honey, what? Look at these, baby, look at these. And when I tell you, I hit these with the dress, my dear. When we knock this out, we're gonna do this on most likely a date night. I was gonna do it for my birthday, you guys. My birthday is coming up. I don't know if I'm gonna do it for my birthday though. I'm just kind of still deciding because I didn't see this Laquan Smith dress that I'm in love with, but that's a whole nother subject. But yes, baby, look at these. Insane, in love. They come in black too as well. Go ahead. Your girl gonna put you up on these. Yes, beautiful, baby, honey. So when I put these together for you guys, I'm gonna go cop these earrings that I seen that I love at FENDI. So I like to do the whole complete look. So I have a couple more pieces I wanna grab, then we're gonna put it together. I'll go ahead and post the pictures on Instagram and show you guys back over here. But yes, in love. Hope you guys loved it. And oh, before we cut out, we also did some early winter shopping for FENDI. So I also want to give you guys some runway pieces that I bought off of there. So we're gonna get to that before we end it. So now it's time for the outfit of the day.